Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. Sometimes you want to run the agent on code you don't fully trust yet, maybe a fresh clone from the internet. For that, Antigravity gives you a sandbox, a wall around what its commands can actually touch on your machine. In this lesson, we run the agent inside that restricted sandbox. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are about to launch on an unfamiliar repository. Rather than trust it, let's start the agent inside a sandbox so its commands stay contained. The tool for this is the sandbox flag. Passing it at launch runs anti-gravity with terminal restrictions turned on, which limits what any model-generated command can reach on your machine. It's a safety boundary around the whole session. Watch this. We start the agent on an unfamiliar repo, and the status line confirms sandbox mode is active. From here, anything the agent tries to run is confined, so a stray command can't wander off into the rest of your system. Now, here's why that matters. Say the agent tries to touch something outside the project. Inside the sandbox, that command is simply blocked, and you see it get denied instead of quietly running against your real files. Here's a subtle but important point. The sandbox controls what commands can reach, while the permission preset from the last lesson controls whether the agent asks first. Those are two independent dials. You set them together for the level of safety you want. On code you don't trust, you'd combine a tight sandbox with a strict permission preset, giving you both a contained blast radius and a review step before anything runs. Here's what to keep from this lesson. The sandbox flag runs anti-gravity with terminal restrictions, limiting what model-generated commands can touch. It's the safety boundary for running the agent on code you don't fully trust yet, like a fresh clone. Sandbox controls what commands reach, the permission preset controls whether it asks first, and you set both dials together. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 6, where the mode flag picks default, accept edits, or plan.